What we're doing.
Ooh, look at us cooking.
Alright, so what I need
In
you
the
to do,
kitchen wrist.
I need you to do is see if I can get you like right there.
Ooh.
Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel.
What is up, you guys?
What is up, you guys? So right now we're in the middle of Columbus, Georgia. Thank you. And we have our what we call
light boy.
We have our light man.
boy.
We have our light man here. And
Oh my
yeah,
God.
in the middle of Columbus, Georgia, we actually found these cool little bushes, palm trees, I would say. I don't know what they're exactly called, but we're gonna use them to the best of our advantage before this rain comes in. So let me get Georgia to come in.
I'm so glad this is stabilizing because I'm shivering.
All right, so George, let's see what I can do. Okay, so this is gonna blow away. So we're gonna see if we can get this thing done. Okay, so.
Oh wow, that's like gorgeous though, like that.
So yeah. Let me see if I can have you play with your hair. Just move with your hair. Okay. So look at me. So look at me. Take your head out that way. So, now be serious for me for 50 seconds. Now I need you to part your lips a little bit. Not too much.
Yo, thank you.
Like I want to, like,
This is what we ended up using.
Yeah, we gotta go this way.
Okay.
look it up real quick, okay?
No, I need it more.
Okay, that works. Oh, just like that.
you are.
Yes, just like that. All right, 3, 2, 1. Lift them up just a little bit more for me. There we go. There we go. That's perfect. That's perfect. I love that.
Stay
I
closer.
love that.
Rain and shine.
Yes.
We are filming.
All right. Let me try to get some of
Wow,
your
this is
hair
gorgeous.
a little bit further back. Yeah, just like that. That's perfect. Is there any way I could get that brush out just a little bit
wow.
forward to, yeah. Perfect.
Tell me what to do.
Cool. Sounds good. All right, ready? 3, 2.
Oh my God,
Oh, I love that. I love
Georgia.
that. Georgia. Just like that. That's actually perfect. Just like that. 3, 2, 1.
Perfect.
We love it.
Actually, could I get somebody else to do that for me? Could I get
You
you?
can't do everything, y'all.
Alright, just say 3, 2, 1.
Okay, just like that. Look this at me. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's opposite. I don't know where.
Oh,
Okay. Ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
oh wow.
It's harder than you think.
That was gorgeous.
It's hard. That's perfect. I like that. Oh, that's so cool.
Gorgeous.
So what I need you to do is like from here, is like I need you to bounce them up and down.
All right, bouncer.
Yeah. Little shoulder. Go down right quick. Look up for me. There we go. Just like that. Right.
Oh wow, and this wind is
3,
working.
2, 1. Oh, that yeah.
Wow.
Cool.
Place it all.
Oh, we're doing one more. We're doing one more. That's it. That's all we got. So this has to be the shot. All right. What I need you to do is do this. Stand up. Look at me right quick, and then slowly start turning over, and then keep your
While
eyes.
he's doing it?
Yeah. While he's doing it. Okay. Ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. We're good. All right. Let's go. That's it.
All right.
That's fine.
That's a wrap.
So we actually just finished this whole shoot in like 15 minutes. I don't think it was that hard, but it is raining, so we're actually gonna have to leave. We can't stay out here. We're gonna get our cameras wet, and our cameras aren't that expensive to be waterproof. So we gotta leave, we're out. But make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Tell me if you guys like this idea. Tell me if you guys want to see anything else. And thank you so much, Georgia. Other than that, make sure to keep everything notified, as I will be posting some more stuff and maybe some extra footage on Twitter. So I'll see you then.